how big these are.
Guys, check this out. So we came across this company, Archway Ceilings. Our friend Wes owns a company. These guys make arches. So they used to be framers, and now they make arches for people, framers to purchase. So they have the same exact problem that we do. We're too good, too cheap, and contractors or builders that find us don't want to expose us at all. So we have different ways of dealing with that, but I'm going to show you guys when the company's really good, people don't want to expose them why they're good. So they make this arch system right here. So this whole thing with materials, you're looking at 500 bucks. If you figured a guy that makes 300 to 500 bucks a day, plus lumber, plus all the mistakes, plus all the headaches of calling them back, doing all that stuff that comes along with building a house, you can just buy a kit and put it together yourself, and you're done. I think it's freaking genius, and that's the reason why they don't get exposed, like how we don't get exposed. So, and these arches right here are 300 bucks each. Keep in mind, these 2x4s, about 4 or 5 bucks. That's not arch, that's straight, and you gotta chop it. Well, it's a whole story. Anyways, 300 bucks. You get a freaking arch like that.
Probably less time, less expense.
Less time, less expense.
Less wood.
Labor, less headaches. Less phone calls.
It's 100% better.
And it's freaking probably fun to do. Just get a little nail gun and put it together yourself.
Yep.
And you can say I did that.
Trying to help Patrick and organize all your warehouse and make sure it's clean and the process just trying to make sure everything's
So we just left IBS today, right now. We're leaving right now. It's 2019 IBS. I am finally realizing how old I am. My hips are hurting, my legs are hurting. I used to do this all day long. I used to do all 3 days of it. Now, can't even last a day and a half. Couldn't even make it up the escalator that they stopped for some reason. Felt like there was a rubber band holding me back. But anyways, it was fun. It was amazing. We saw a bunch of new stuff. And met a couple of people that we're going to collaborate with. Also ran into a gazillion of our customers, which was super cool. That we finally ended up putting an email address to a face, which is kind of cool. But yeah, it was awesome. And I feel like we're going to do a booth next year because I feel like we're there and we should. I think we should really start putting more faces on these email addresses that we have, or communications through emails, which was kind of cool and brought up a lot of new stuff. Well, thank you. See you guys next year.